Exercise 3.6. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. இங்க ரெண்டு pair of equation கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஒரு equation 1/2x plus 1/3y equal to 2. அது ஒரு equation 1/3x plus 1/2y equal to 13/6. இது ரெண்டுமே pair of equation தான். But it is not a pair of linear equation. அப்போ you have to convert this pair of equation into pair of linear equation in two variable. For to convert linear equation in two variable, you have to do some proper substitution. அப்போ இந்த 1/2x 1/2 into 1/x. இது 1/2 1/3y 1/3 into 1/y. அப்போ 1/x ஏவாவும் 1/x b ஆன எழுதிக்கலாம். அத 1/x is equal to a. 1/y is equal to b. Appa this is first question. 1/2x வந்து 1/2 into 1/x plus 1/3 into 1/y is equal to 2. இப்போ இந்த 1/2 1/2 எழுதிக்கிட்டு இந்த 1/x a ன்னு எழுதிக்கலாம் plus 1/3 இது வந்து 1/y வந்து b is equal to 2. இப்போ இது ரெண்டு எல்சிஎம் எடுத்துக்கலாம். 2க்கு 3க்கு எல்சிஎம் வந்து 6. 6 2ல 6ல 2 3 டைம்ஸ். அப்ப 3 into a 3a plus 6ல 3 2 டைம்ஸ். 2 into b 2b is equal to 2. இப்போ கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டா 3a plus 2b equal to 12. ஈக்குவேஷன் நம்பர் 1. இப்போ இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 1/3 into 1/x plus 1/2 into 1/y equal to 13/6. இப்போ 1/x நீ 7 எழுதலாம், 1/y b ன்னு எழுதலாம். அப்போ 1/3a plus 1/2 b equal to 13/6. இப்போ again இப்போ LCM எடுத்தா 3க்கு 2க்கு LCM 6. இப்போ 6ல 3 2 டைம்ஸ். அப்போ 2a plus 6ல 2 3 டைம்ஸ். 3 into b 3b equal to 13/6. இப்போ ரெண்டு பக்கம் டினாமினேட்டர் x 6 காமனா கட் பண்ணிடலாம். அப்போ 2a plus 3b equal to 13. Equation number 2. Now we got linear equation in two variable. The variables are a and b. Now we have to find the value of a and b. Solving 1 and 2. 3a plus 2b equal to 12. Equation 1. 2a plus 3b 13. Equation number 2. So we can cancel either b or a. I want to cancel b. அப்போ b cancel பண்ணா equation 1 3 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும், equation 2 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும். equation 1 into 3 gives 3 9a plus 6b equal to 36. Equation 2 into 2 implies 4a plus 6b equal to 26. இப்போ கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் b வந்து ஈக்குவலாக இருக்குது. இப்போ எப்போ இது கேன்சல் ஆகும்? சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணால் தான் கேன்சல் ஆகும். அப்போ சைன் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணும். மைனஸ் இங்கே ப்ளஸ் மைனஸ் இங்கே ப்ளஸ் மைனஸ். அப்போது ப்ளஸ் 6b மைனஸ் 6b கேன்சல். 9a minus 4a 5a equal to 36 minus 26 10. Therefore a equal to 10/5 2. 10/5 2. Substitute a equal to 2 in 1. 3 into 2 plus 2b equal to 12. 6 plus 2b equal to 12. 2b equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Therefore, B is equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. B equal to 3, A is equal to 2. Now we have to find the value of x and y. Suppose, in our 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to A. 1 by x is equal to A is equal to 2. 2. 2 na 2 by 1. Now cross multiply. X into 2, 2x. 2x is equal to 1 into 1, 1. 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to 2. Then 1 by y equal to b. 1 by y is equal to b. b is 3. Therefore 1 by y equal to 3. 3 means 3 by 1. 3 into y, 3y is equal to 1 into 1, 1. Therefore y is equal to 1 by 3. So x is equal to 1 by 3, y is equal to 1 by 3. How to check our answer is correct? Take any one of the equation. First equation, one by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2 nor 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2. Therefore 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. இப்போ என்ன வரணும், இது வந்து 2னு ஆன்சர் வரணும். இப்போ இந்த 2 2 கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாம், 3 3 கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அப்போ 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 is equal to 1 by 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2, therefore 2 equal to 2. So our answer is correct. Therefore the answer is x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 3. The answer. Subdivision 2, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2. Second equation, 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. Now, we have to keep 1 by root x. 1 by root x is equal to a, 1 by root y equal to b. Let 1 by root x is equal to a and 1 by root y is equal to b. Now, first equation 2 into 1 by root x plus 3 into 1 by root y equal to 2. Now, the 1 by root x is a, 2a plus 3b equal to 2, equation number 1. And this will become 4 into 1 by root x minus 9 into 1 by root y is equal to minus 1. 1 by root x is equal to a. 4a minus 9b equal to minus 1, equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2. 2a plus 3b equal to 2. 4a minus 9b equal to minus 1. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. If I want to cancel b, in a b cancel, first equation 3 multiply panna. Equation 1 into 3 implies 6a plus 9b equal to 6. Equation 2 into 1 implies 4a minus 9b equal to minus 1. This is direct in the equation. Now, without changing the sign, cancel. Plus or minus cancel. Now, 4 plus 6a plus 4a, 10a equal to 6 minus 1, 5. 10a is equal to 5. Now, a equal to 5 by 10. 5 by 10 equal to 1 by 2. A 1 by 2. Now substitute a equal to 1 by 2 in any one of the equation. First equation போடலாம் 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3b equal to 2. Now 2 by 2 cancel. 1 plus 3b equal to 2. அப்போ 3b equal to 2, இந்த 1 இந்த பக்கம் தான் minus 1. 3b equal to 1, b equal to 1 by 3. a equal to 1 by 3, a equal to 1 by 2, b equal to 1 by 3. Now we have to find x and y. 1 by root x is equal to a. 1 by root x, what is a? What is a? A equal to 1 by 2. A equal to 1 by 2. Now cross multiply. Root x into 1, root x. 1 into 2, 2. Root x 2 na, how to find x? இப்போ இந்த root x ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணாதான் x போகும். அப்போ ஸ்கொயரிங் ஆன் both sides. Squaring on both sides. அப்போ இந்த root x the whole square equal to 2 square. அப்போ root x the whole square x. அப்போ x is equal to 4. அதே மாதிரி 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiply. Root y equal to 3. அப்போ similar squaring on both sides. Root y the whole square equal to 3 square. அப்போ y is equal to 3. அப்போ similar squaring on both sides. Root y the whole square equal to 3 square. அப்போ y is equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to 4, y is equal to 9 are the two answer. Now how to verify? Verification. Take any one of the equation. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y. எனக்கு 2 னு ஒரு ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும். இப்போ 2 by root x root 4 plus 3 by root 9 equal to 2 னு வரும். root 4 வந்து 2. இங்கே ப்ளஸ் ஆன்சர் எடுக்கலாம். 2 by 2 plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2. அப்போ 2 cancel பண்ணா 1, 3 cancel பண்ணா 1, 1 plus 1, therefore 2 equal to 2. So our answer is, therefore x is equal to 4, y is equal to 9 are the answers. Subdivision 3, 4 by x plus 3y equal to 14, 3 by x minus 4y equal to 23. Even though it is not a linear equation in two variable, it is some pair of equation because x is the denominator, here x is also denominator. To convert it to linear equation in two variable, we have to do some proper substitution. The proper substitution is 1 by x is equal to a. 1 by x is equal to a. For first equation 4 by x, 4 into 1 by x. 4a plus 3b equal to 14. This is equation 1. This is 3 by x, 3 into 1 by x, 3a. 3a minus, this is y. 3a minus 4y equal to 23. Equation 2. We will solve 1 and 2. Now I want to cancel y. Appa equation 1 into 4. Appa தான் இது 12 ஆகும். Implies 16a plus 12y equal to 4 into 14, 56. இப்போ equation 2 into இதை 3 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணதா 12 ஆகும். அப்போ equation into 3. 9a minus 12y equal to 69. இப்போ plus 12y minus 12y cancel while adding. இப்போ இதை add பண்ணா 25a. 25a. இது வந்து சார் 5 15 7 12 125. a equal to 125 by 25 equal to 5. So got a equal to 5 in first equation. 4 into 5 plus 3y equal to 14. 20 plus 3y equal to 14. 3y equal to 14 minus 20 equal to minus 6. Y is equal to minus 6 by 3 minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2, a equal to 5. Now we have to find x. 1 by x is equal to a. 1 by x is equal to 5. Therefore 5x. 5 into x, 5x is equal to 1 into 1, 1. X is equal to 1 by 5. X is equal to 1 by 5. Y is equal to minus 2. Are the two answers. Now verification. Now verify. Take equation 1. 4 by x plus 3y equal to 14. 4 by 1 by 5 plus 3 into minus 2 equal to 14. Because 5 multiplied. Above 5 will go to numerator. 20 minus 6 equal to 14. Above 14 equal to 14. So our answer is correct. X is equal to 1 by 5. Y is equal to minus 2 is the answer. Subdivision 4. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1. It is a pair of equation. It is not a pair of linear equation. We have to convert into pair of linear equation. To convert pair of linear equation, we have to need proper substitution. Here 1 by x minus 1 equal to a. Let 1 by x minus 1 equal to a. 1 by y minus 2 equal to b. அப்போ இது வந்து நேரம் 5 by x minus 1 வந்து 5 into 1 by x minus 1. அப்போ 5a. இது 1 by y minus 2 plus b equal to 2. Equation number 1. This is 6 by x minus 1 வந்து 6 into 1 by x minus 1. அப்போ 6a minus 2 minus 3b is equal to 1. Equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2. I want to cancel b. To cancel b, I have to multiply equation number 1 by 3. Equation 1 into 3. 15a plus 3b equal to 6. Equation 2 into 1. 6a minus 3b equal to 1. Now change. Now plus 3b minus 3b cancel. 15a plus 6a 21a. 6 plus 1 7. A equal to 7 by 21. 1s are 3s are. A equal to 1 by 3. Substitute. A equal to 1 by 3 in first equation. 5 into 1 by 3 plus b equal to 2. B equal to 2. 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Now LCM is 3 by 1. 3 la 3 ones. 3 into 2 6. 3 la 1 3 minus 5 equal to 1 by 3. B equal to 1 by 3. A equal to 1 by 3, B also 1 by 3. Now to find x. 1 by x minus 1 is equal to A. 1 by x minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. Now cross multiply. X minus 1 into 1, x minus 1. 1 into 3, 3. அப்போ இந்த 1 அங்கே போயிடுச்சுன்னா x is equal to 1 plus 3, 4. Likewise, 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. 1 by y minus 2, 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiply. Y minus 2 equal to 3. Y is equal to 2 plus 3. Right. அப்போ x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. That's the answer. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 5 as the answer. Now we can verify. Verify in the equation number 2. Verification. I by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2 னு வரணும். இப்போ x வந்து என்னது 4. 5 by 4 minus 1. 5 by 4 minus 1 plus 1 by 5 minus 2 is equal to 2. அப்போ 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3 equal to 2. இப்போ LCM எடுத்தா 3. இப்போ 3ல 5 plus 1 equal to 2. இப்போ 6 by 3 equal to 2. அப்போ 2 equal to 2. So our answer is right. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5 are the answer. Subdivision 5, 7x minus 2y by xy equal to 5. 8x plus 7y by xy equal to 15. It is a pair of equation. It is not a linear equation in two variables. அப்போ இதை convert to linear equation in two variables. First என்ன பண்ணலாம்? First equation 7x by xy minus 2y by xy அப்படி ரெண்டா பிரிச்சுக்கலாம். இப்போ LCM எடுத்தா கூட xy 7x minus 2y வரும். இப்போ xx cancel, y cancel. அப்போ 7y minus 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5. அதே மாதிரி இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் எப்படி வரும்? 8x by xy plus 7y by xy equal to 50. இப்போ xx cancel, y cancel. 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 50. Now still it is not a linear equation in two variables. It is a pair of equations. To convert linear equation in two variables, we need proper substitution. What is that substitution? Let 1 by y equal to a, 1 by x is equal to b. 1 by x is equal to b. How about this equation become 7 by y means 7 into 1 by y, 7a. 2 by x means 2 into 1 by x minus 2b equal to 5. Equation number 1. This is 8 by y means 8 into 1 by y, 8a plus 7 by x means 7 into 1 by x, 7b equal to 50. Equation 2. Now solving 1. Solving 1. 8a plus 7b equal to 50. Now we can cancel b. To cancel b, multiply equation 1 by 7 and multiply equation 2 by 2. So 1 into 7 implies 49a minus 14b. Is equal to 55. Equation 2 into 2 gives 16a plus 14b equal to 30. Then minus 14b plus 14b cancel. So this is 49a plus 16a equal to 65a equal to 35 plus 30 65. A equal to 65 by 65 equal to 1. A equal to 1. Substitute A equal to 1 in first equation. 7 into 1 minus 2b equal to 5. Minus 2b equal to 5 minus 7 equal to minus 2. Minus 2. Above b equal to minus 2 by minus 2 equal to 1. So a equal to 1, b equal to 1. Now we have to find x and y. 1 by x is equal to a. 1 by x is equal to 1. 1 means 1 by 1. Above cross multiply. X into 1 x. 1 into 1 1. X is equal to 1 first answer. Then 1 by y. 1 by x is equal to b. 1 by x is equal to b. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 1. X is equal to 1. Then 1 by y is equal to a. 1 by y is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore cross multiplying y is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 are the answers. Now verification. Take any one equation. Second equation 8x plus 7y by xy equal to 50. So 8 into 1 plus 7 into 1 by 1 into 1 equal to 50. 8 into 1 8. 7 into 1 7. 8 plus 7 by 1 into 1 1 equal to 50. 8 plus 7 15. 15 by 1 15 equal to 15. So the answer is correct. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 are the answers. Sixth subdivision. 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy. 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. This is also pair of equation, not linear equation in two variable. We have to convert into linear equation two variable. Dividing by xy on both sides. About 6x plus 3y by xy equal to 6xy by xy. So xy cancel. We can split into two fractions. 6x by xy plus 3y by xy equal to 6. Y cancel, x cancel, 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6. Here also dividing by xy on both sides. 2x plus 4y by xy equal to 5xy by xy. Now split into two fractions. 2x by x into y plus 4y by xy equal to this cancel 5. Y cancel, x cancel, 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5. Even though it is not a linear equation in two variable, to convert this equation into linear equation, we have to get proper substitution. What is the substitution? 1 by y is equal to a, 1 by x is equal to b. 6 by y equal to 6 into 1 by y equal to 6a, plus 3 by x is equal to 3 into 1 by x, 3b equal to 6. Equation number 1. 2 by y, 2 into 1 by y, 2a, plus 4 by x, 4 into 1 by x, 4b equal to 5. This is equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2. 6a plus 3b equal to 6. Now I want to cancel a. To cancel a, multiply equation 2 by 3 and equation 1 by 1. Equation 2 into 3. Equation 2 into 3. 6a plus 12b equal to 15. 3 into 5, 15. Equation 1 into 1 is equal to 6a plus 3b equal to 6. Now change the sign. Minus sign, minus sign, minus sign. So plus 6a minus 6a cancel. 12b minus 3b 9b. 15 minus 6 9. b equal to 9 by 9 equal to 1. Substitute b equal to 1 in 1. 6a plus 3b. 6a plus 3 into 1 equal to 6. 6a equal to 6a plus 3 into 1. 6a equal to 6 minus 3, 3. a equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. We got a and b. Now we have to find x and y. 1 by y equal to a is equal to a. a is equal to 1 by 2. Now cross multiply. y into 1, y equal to 1 into 2, 2. 1 by x is equal to b. What is b? b equal to 1, 1 by 1. 1 into 1, 1, x into 1, x. x is equal to 1. x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Verification. Verify. Two x plus 4y equal to 5xy. 5 into xy. 2x 2 into 1 plus 4 into 2 is equal to 5 into 1 into 2. 1 into 2. 2 into 1, 2 plus 4 into 2, 8 is equal to 10. 10 equal to 10. So our answer is correct. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 is the answer. Subdivision 7, 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4, 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equal to minus 2. It is one of the important questions. Here it is a pair of equation. It is not a pair of linear equation in two variables. We have to convert into pair of linear equation in two variables. For that we need a proper substitution. Here x plus y, x minus y. Here x plus y, x minus y. அப்போ 1 by x plus y ஏன்னு வச்சுக்கலாம், 1 by x minus y ன்னு b ன்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். அப்போ 10 by x plus y வந்து 10 into 1 by x plus y. அதே மாதிரி இதை எழுதிக்கலாம். அப்போ let 1 by x plus y equal to a, 1 by x minus y equal to b. அப்போ first 10 by x plus y, 10 into 1 by x plus y, 10a plus 2 by x minus y, 2 into 1 by x minus y, 2b equal to 4. Equation 1. 15 by x plus y equal to 15 into 1 by x plus y is equal to 15a minus 5 by x minus y equal to 5 into 1 by x minus y minus 5a equal to minus 2. Equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. I want to cancel b. To cancel b, multiply first equation by 5, second equation by 2. Equation 1 into 5 gives 50a plus 10b equal to 20. Equation 2 into 2 gives 30a minus 10b equal to minus 4. Now plus 10b minus 10b cancel. Then 80a is equal to 20 minus 4, 16. A equal to 16 by 80. Ones are 5s are. 5 16s are 80. Substitute a equal to 1 by 5 in 1. 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2 into b equal to 4. Equal to 4. 2. 2b equal to 4 minus 2. 2. Upper b equal to 2 by 2, 1. Therefore, a equal to 1 by 5, b equal to 1. Now we have to find 1 by x plus y equal to a. 1 by x plus y equal to a. 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 5. Now cross multiply. X plus y into 1 x plus y equal to 1 into 5, 5. This is third equation. Then 1 by x minus y equal to b. b is equal to 1. 1 by 1. Our cross multiply x minus y equal to 1 into 1, 1. Equation 4. Now solving 3 and 4. X plus y equal to 5. Now cancel. Plus y minus y cancel. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2, 3. Put x is equal to 3 in 3. 3 plus y equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5 minus 3, 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 are the answers. Now we will verify. Verification. In first equation, 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4 varnu. Up 10 by 3 plus 2 plus 2 by 3 minus 2 equal to 4. 10 by 5 plus 2 by 1 equal to 4. So 10 by 2 was 2. This was 2 by 2, 2 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, our answer is correct. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 is the answer. Subdivision 8, 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. This is also an important question. We have to assume 1 by 3x plus y equal to a. 1 by 3x minus y equal to b. The first equation is a plus 1 by 3x minus y is b is equal to 3 by 4. Now cross multiply. 4a plus 4b equal to 3. Equation number 1. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y. Now 1 by 2 into a minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y. 1 by 2 into b equal to minus 1 by 8. Now take LCM. 2 a minus b equal to minus 1 by 8. Now we can cancel. 1s are 4s are. 4 into a minus b. 4a minus 4b equal to minus 1. Equation number 2. Equation number 2. 4 into a, 4a, 4 into minus b, minus 4b equal to minus 1. Now solving. Solving equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 is 4a plus 4b equal to 3. 4a plus 4b equal to 3. Then 4a minus 4b equal to minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now coefficient of b is both the equations are equal with the opposite side. Cancel. 4a plus 4a, 8a. 3 minus 1, 2. A equal to 2 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. A equal to 1 by 4. Substitute A equal to 1 by 4 in 1. In 1. 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4b equal to 3. 4 into 4, 4 cancel. 4b equal to 3. 4b in the 1 and the pocket 1 are minus 1 equal to 2. B equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. B equal to 1 by 2, A equal to 1 by 4. Now we have to find the value of x and 1 by 3x plus y equal to A. Equal to A. Our A is 1 by 4. Equal to 1 by 4. Now cross multiply. 3x plus y into 1, 3x plus y equal to 1 into 4, 4. Equation number 3. Then 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b is equal to 1 by 2. Now cross multiply. 3x minus y into 1, 3x minus y equal to 1 into 2, 2. Equation number 4. Now solving 3 and 4. 3x plus y equal to 4. This is equation number 3. Now solve plus y minus y, get cancel. 3x plus 3x, 6x equal to 2 plus 4, 6. X is equal to 6 by 6, 1. Substitute x is equal to 1 in 3. In 3. 3 into 1 plus y equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. 3 into 1, 3. This 3, that side go minus 3 equal to 1. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 are the answer. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 are the answer. Now verification. Take equation 1. 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4 னு கிடைக்கும். both are x 1 y 1. அப்போ 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. 3 into 1 3 1. இது 3 into 1 3 minus 1 equal to 3 by 4. அப்போ 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 4. Now take LCM. 4 1 plus 2 3 by 4. 1 plus 2 3 by 4. 3 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. So verification also correct. Therefore answer is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 are the answer.